Every time I come to one of these events, I find out something new, what the future holds, what people are thinking. The public, the consumer, the end user, they need to understand what we're doing.
The large-scale phishing emails that we're seeing will soon become so targeted that we won't know the difference, and that will still make people fall over.
I think we need to reassess trust, and sometimes we have to be a little bit more skeptical, alongside keeping yourself patched, encrypting your sensitive data, ensuring that you have that layered defense in place.
We're speaking to a lot of IT managers and IT directors that say we need to do security, we don't know where to start.
I think people come to learn, but they're also here to see the vendors they might be dealing with, to talk about what their problems are and how they can help them out in the future.